Welcome to my photography channel. Here you'll find videos about photography and they're free. You don't need to be a member. You can subscribe if you want to, and that's completely free. Just click on that subscribe button. That means my videos will appear on your subscriptions feed. Oh, and hit the bell icon if you want to get notification. I think it's easy these days to try and buy creativity. But where's the fun in that? Is it going to make you a better photographer? I don't think so. Is it going to give you knowledge? No. Sure, you can take great images occasionally with super software doing the editing. But what happens when that software doesn't work? Where do you go then? You see, a great photographer and a great photograph are two very different things. Taking a photograph, it's like working out a puzzle. All the ingredients are there. You've just got to know how to put them together. And it's not all about learning rules, because rules are there to be broken. All the best photographers understand that. Photography is not a sport. There really are no rules. Photography is less about what you see and more about how you see it. I've taken hundreds of thousands of pictures over the year. I have the best job in the world, and the best thing about it is that you can't do it on the telephone. You have to go out and meet people and communicate. I think it's important to remind yourself that gear is fun, but don't focus on the gear too much. It's not the gear that creates the photo, it's your idea. It happens in here. Ansel Adams reminds us that the single most important part of any camera is the 12 inches behind the viewfinder. That's where it all happens, up here. When a photographer walks into a room, they're computing hundreds and hundreds of alternative lighting, lenses, backgrounds, colours, moods, all sorts of things. You can't see it happening. It's happening in their heads. And it's something that you can learn. With my YouTube channel, I'm going to try and unlock some of those photography skills. If you have a passion for photography, then I'd say, come with me. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, maybe even leave a like. So why subscribe to the channel? What's in it for you? Well, I put out regular content about photography, about gear, about techniques. Sometimes you'll see me on assignment, sometimes I'll be talking in the studio. It's all about photography and it's all about making us better. Now let's get out there and focus on the image. Let's get out and build a better world of photography. And remember, keep learning, because you're only as good as your last image.